It is important to select the best fitting battery for your solar electric system, long-lasting, safe and durable. The JGFM series from Oliter Energy Technology meets these standards, making it a reliable energy storage product for various photovoltaic projects. This energy storage system adopts the lead-acid gel battery technology, making it extremely durable and highly resistant to vibration. It is also very safe to use because there is a reduced possibility of sulfuric acid burns. The product also uses an acrylonitrile butadiene styrene or ABS case, giving it great resistance against corrosion and mechanical impact, and providing deep discharge recovery ability. The battery terminal uses stainless steel bolts for high strength without deformation. Special lead calcium alloy and raw materials imported from Germany were also used to further enhance the battery's durability. Other features that make this product highly protected include a precise flameproof safety valve, advanced coating, and tight assembly technologies. All these protective features and durable components help the product achieve a long design life of more than 12 years. Aside from durability, this battery is also designed to perform well. Its high rated capacity of up to 3000 ampere hours means that the device has a longer running time and can store more energy, hence frequent or long-lasting power interruptions won't be an issue. The application fields of this product include photovoltaic and wind power systems, communication and remote base stations, and marine backup power supplies, to name a few. Oliter Energy Technology is one of China's leading energy storage system manufacturers. Our factory covers an area of 140,000 square meters and has an annual production capacity of 5 million kilovolt ampere hours.